Hello YouTube. Today I'll show you how to jailbreak iOS 13.5.1. As we know, iOS 13.5.1 is not supported on Checkra1n. So I'll show you a way to jailbreak it successfully. First of all, I'll run Checkra1n. I have created a USB drive to run Checkra1n on Windows. If you don't know how to create a USB drive, I have posted a link in description. You can watch video and create drive. It will take a few minutes to run Checkra1n. Now as you can see, iPhone is connected and iPhone 6s is supported, but iOS 13.5.1 is not supported, so we will put iDevice in recovery mode. Now press and hold both power and home button until you see recovery screen. This phone is in recovery mode. Now click start and put your device in DFU mode. Once it's in DFU mode, it will start jailbreaking your iDevice. Here, your iPhone is successfully jailbroken. In next video, I'll show you how to bypass it. Till then, subscribe my channel and peace out.